Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at our Euro JPY for this week, which is the first week of January. We want to see where this price will be moving. In order to be able to predict this movement, we are going to start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So we are going to understand it, starting from the higher time frame and why we'll be making such move this week. Now, before we place any trade, we would want to ask ourselves some questions. And one of those questions is, what is the trend for this movement? Be it your asset, any assets you would want to trade, or anything you would want to trade, you would want to know the movement. As markets do give us three movements, right? Either it's giving us an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market move, right? So what we are seeing on EURJPY is an uptrend move. You clearly can see an higher highs and higher lows, right? That is one. Secondly, we can ask ourselves, what is the movement on this hour moving average? Is this price trading above a 10-period moving average, or it is trading below a 10-period moving average? So what we clearly can see here is our price is trading above the 10-period moving average. So we see this as an highs or impulse move upward. Here will be taken as a correction. This will be seen as a new highs. Then this will be taken as a correction. A new highs being played out here. And here will be seen as a correction. What next? A new highs being played out here. And now after that new highs being played out, what do you expect? Of course, we expect a correction. Now this correction is giving us, this is a correction. Now, is this correction over? Well, I don't really think this correction is over, but I think it will be over this month, which is January. You can see the month of November, we actually had a bearish move. EURJPY and EURJPY opened and closed bearish, right? In the month of December also, we also had a bearish move. EURJPY opened and closed bearish. So let's see in the month of December if this price will complete its bearish move. Then after that, what do you expect? We would expect a further bullish move. So we will be waiting, sooner or later, right? We will be expecting a bullish move on EURJPY. So just have it in mind. EURJPY soon will start giving us a bullish move. As reason why, let me show you reasons why we'll be expecting that move, right? If you take a look at your USD Euro index, right, you see that the food trend is actually on a bullish move, right? Especially when you go to the daily time frame, the food trend is actually on a bullish move. And when you take a look at your JPY, the JPY is still giving us a bullish move, right? You can see this bullish move, but sooner or later you will start having this drop. So once we start having this drop on JPY, then I believe that will make a way for our Euro to JPY start giving us a bullish move. This is one of the reasons why I say either in this week or next week we should start expecting a bullish move on EURJPY. So above all, bullish move is coming anytime soon on EURJPY. That should take us to the weekly time frame. So like I said, before you place any trade again, you would want to know the trend for that movement. So we can see on this weekly time frame, the trend on EURJPY is actually an uptrend move. This is a bullish move. So we have no other option than to go ahead and go bullish on EURJPY, right? So let's see this movement on EURJPY as a drop. Then we would now take a look at this to be a pullback, a new drop that broke this previous lows. Now pay attention, this new drop broke this previous lows, and now a pullback is being made, and again a new drop that has been made that broke this previous lows. Anyway, this price is actually dropping, so I am watching out for this level. It's not the most price actually get to this level, right? Though, because I'm watching at the level of 137 for my price to actually get there before we start getting that bullish. It's not even a must price to get to that level. If price can get to level of 138 before we start getting that bullish move, then there's no problem. So let's see if price will get to level of 137 or 138. Within that level of 137, 138, we should start expecting a bullish move on this EURJPY. So anyhow, this is EURJPY on our weekly time frame. We are still on a bearish move. Price is dropping, so you have no other option than to go ahead and drop it. We can see the upper week, right? 2 weeks ago, we actually opened and closed bearish. You can see it gave us a bearish move. The week that just finished on EURJPY, we actually had a bearish move. So I believe this week that we are predicting for on EURJPY, we should also open and close bearish. Once we get that final bearish move, then the next 2 week we would actually start expecting a bullish move on EURJPY. But first, you need to complete this bearish move on EURJPY. So more drop is to come. See it's trading below the 10 period moving average. As long as your price is still trading below this moving average, then definitely you will want to go ahead and sell on this. That should take us to the daily time frame. Like I said, full trend. Previously, it was an uptrend move, right? But as a recent now, this movement is giving us a bearish move, a downtrend move. So we will take a look at this to be, let's say, a low here, a pullback, a low here, then a pullback, a low here, and guess what? We've gotten a pullback. After this pullback, what do you expect? We are expecting another lows that at least we take out, we break below this previous lows. This is the previous lows, right? We would be expecting a new lows to break this previous lows. This is one of the reasons why I'm watching out for a level of 137. If Euro JPY can get to the level of 137, then we can now start speculating a bullish move on Euro JPY. Above all, more drop is to come. So let's see within Monday, Tuesday, markets will not open on Monday, but we should expect it to open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's see within Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we should be able to get to this level, trading at a level of 138 or 137. So within these two levels, price should actually get to that level. So anyhow, EURJPY, this is still a bearish move. You can also see it trading below the 10 period moving average, right? You saw a pullback that was made here. You saw this pullback that came to hit our moving average, and we found a rejection at that level. Now we are now getting a drop. So this EURJPY itself, more bearish move is to come. So we should expect more drop on EURJPY. That should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see the 4-hour time frame, full trend on our 4-hour time frame. This is kind of like a bearish move, right? You can see lower lows and the lower highs. That is one. You can see that this massive move, I think this massive move occurred during that time when JPY actually gave us that massive move on a bullish move. If you take a look at this JPY index, give us this massive bullish move, right? That it was that during that period, Euro to JPY actually gave us that massive bearish move because JPY spiked up, and this is one of the reasons why we had a drop on Euro to JPY. Anyway, anyhow, we are now making a new lows on this 4-hour time frame. So like they always say, the trend is your friend. You would want to trade with your trend and not against this trend. So let's first of all go ahead and take out these lows. We should, by the time this market will open on Tuesday, right? Let's see if we're able to hit this level, which is the level of 139. So if this market can open, I don't mind going ahead to sell to take out these lows where this huge candlestick wick is taken at the bottom. So from here to this lows, by the time the markets open, I think we should be able to grab about 100 pips. I mean, 100 pips, it is okay by me, which is still fine, right? So EURJPY still bearish. So more bearish move is to come. As you can also see, this price is still trading below the 10 period moving average. So definitely, this is a sell movement. So JPY for this week, we expect more bearish move to make out.